In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to completely uninstall Microsoft Teams 2025 from your computer. Whether you're switching to another platform or simply want to free up some space, this step-by-step guide will help you remove Teams swiftly and effectively. Let's start by navigating to the Start menu on your computer. From here, click on the gear icon to open Settings. Once you've accessed the Settings menu, you'll want to find and click on Apps. Inside the Apps section, head over to Installed Apps. Here is where we will begin our search to locate Microsoft Teams. In the search bar within Installed Apps, type Microsoft Teams. As you do this, your computer will filter through your installed applications to find the Microsoft Teams app. Once it appears in the list, you'll notice three horizontal dots located to the right of the application. This is your Options menu, which is handy for managing individual applications. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with a few options. One of these options is Uninstall. Click on Uninstall to begin the process of removing Microsoft Teams from your system. A prompt may pop up asking you to confirm your decision. Simply click Uninstall again to confirm. This ensures that Microsoft Teams will be removed from your personal user profile, but there might be something else we need to consider for a complete uninstallation. Now, on to the next section. To ensure that Microsoft Teams is fully removed from your machine, we need to look for something called the Teams Machine-Wide Installer. This is essentially a setup file that may have been installed across the entire system, meaning it could allow Microsoft Teams to reinstall itself for other users or during updates. To find this, remain in the Installed Apps section and again, use the search bar. Type in Teams Machine-Wide Installer. Once it's highlighted in the list of applications, click on the three horizontal dots beside it, just as you did earlier with Microsoft Teams. Select Uninstall from the drop-down menu. Confirming this uninstallation will remove the potential for Microsoft Teams to reappear or reinstall inadvertently. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now successfully uninstalled both Microsoft Teams and its machine-wide installer component. It's always a good practice after uninstalling software to restart your computer. This helps clear any remaining files and ensures a fresh start. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow these instructions carefully for a smooth experience. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more how-to content. Have a great day.